Hello and welcome to another video by The Free College. Today we are tackling the hustle of card collecting. So this is for beginners, or if you're a dad trying to teach your kids, or if you didn't learn the hustle growing up, this is just, hey, just check it out. This is some basics. So right now we're looking at a rookie card. Not a big deal talking about a rookie. Was only a couple dollars. But we're looking at the plastic. The plastic is called a penny sleeve, and it's quite literally 1 cent. This is the Ultra Pro, and this is the Beckett version. You see 95 cents for 100 of them. Ultra Pro and Beckett, they're literally the same exact thing. So you need $1 to be able to put a card properly into a penny sleeve. Now going up, we want to put this card into a better, let's say, because this is a rookie card, right? We want to put in a better holder. So we're going to put it inside of this plastic here, right? And I'm not going to put it in all the way, but we're going to put it in this plastic, right? This plastic here is made by Ultra Pro. This is a 25 pack, and this will run you about $4 at a store. So right now, minus the card, in order to put a good card, if I have a good card or a card that I really like, if I want to put a card properly into the proper protection temporarily, right, that's going to cost me $1 plus $4 is $5 for the plastics. So $5, you need at least $5 to start a card collection, to be able to put 25 cards in penny sleeves and in protectors, in hard plastic protectors. You can really, at this point, when the card's in there, you can put it in anything, but they sell these at card stores. This is a box that, you can put your cards in here once they're, this is once you get a bunch of cards. This is a Bo Jackson rookie. So you can put it in there. And if you get something, I would say really expensive, this right here, this case costs around $100, okay? It's not cheap, but this is what happens when you get cards that are what we call slabs. This is a holder. This is an encased card. It costs about $20. This is a Jesper Parnevik autograph. He's a golfer. But this is I sent this out. It cost me around $25 something to get it authenticated. So somebody who's familiar with authenticating signatures says, yes, this is authentic. And to put it all in here, special casing by PSA. This was like around, you got to do like $25 a card to get it to this point. So if you get like a card that's really good and you want to bring it from there to here, you're going to tack on another 25 or so dollars to do that. And then again, when you get a bunch of them, you're going to want to put them in something like this, which is around $100. So there you go. Just a video to give you an idea of some of the money it costs to get started in the card collecting. Alrighty, have a good one.